This week is starting so bullish, so we can see here at the Bitcoin price, we have a big pump here to the upside, the very big green candle. Also we see at the altcoins, there are so many altcoins that are reaching out. So we are here at the MATIC, we've seen a big candle, green one to the upside with over 25% to the upside, what is absolutely crazy. Also the same is what we are seeing at ApeCoin. Also one big move to the upside on the daily candle size, and also on Ethereum. This is what we're talking about on yesterday's video, that we have broken our very important resistance line over here, which was forming over the last month. And yes, when we are going back to the year 2018, we are looking back here, it was the all-time high, and now we are also above this very important resistance, and now it's flipped as a support. And we've been looking on the EMA ribbon, it shows us that we also break the EMA ribbon to the upside, which is a very good sign at the Ethereum chart. The last time we see this move, it was at March, and in March we see this move from Ethereum from $2,800 US up to $3,700 US, which was there a move from about 25% to the upside. And now we are also on the same way here at the Ethereum chart, that we are breaking this resistance with the EMA ribbon. So this would be the next price target for Ethereum. And we have a look on the horizontal line. The next resistance line would be all the way up on the daily at 1,070.25 US, and on I think around 2,000. Yes, exactly 2,000 US. So that would be the next price target for Ethereum. But before we rush into a trade, let us look what is the RSI telling us. And when we're looking here on the RSI stochastic, we've seen that we're a little overbought. And when we're looking also on the 4-hourly and on the 1-hourly chart, we're looking that the RSI is a little bit going down, which also maybe mean that we can see a little reaction to the downside, testing the EMA ribbon, and getting then this move to the upside to the next price of 1,070.25 US, which also mean with the direction that the RSI come a little bit down, that we're getting a buy signal here, and then we can go up into the trade. So for me, the next trade opportunity would be all the way down on the Ethereum around 1,450 US, I think, when we'll see a little bit move to the downside and the RSI is a little bit coming down, then we can go in this trade. And if you also want to trade this move on the Ethereum, you can go under this video. There you have the chance to get directly to the BITGET and to the Bybit platform. There you can start your trading. So if you don't have a trading account, click this link, start your trading account, and also you get a very great bonus on BITGET. It's over 4,163 US as your bonus if you're starting your new trading account on BITGET. But let us also look back on the Bitcoin chart, because here on the Bitcoin chart, let us also have a look on the Bitcoin chart. And here on the Bitcoin chart, we are seeing that we are here now also have a big green candle, but we also stay in this bear flag here. So be very cautious also here on this side, because if we break this bear flag to the downside, it would bring us to a very low price to the downside. We can also have a look on this. So when we are looking there, let us look for the price target on the bear flag. It would be all the way down to, yes, 15,000 US, also maybe a little lower. So we must be cautious that we are not breaking this level here to the downside. So the next move for the Bitcoin price will be definitely that we are testing here the top of our wedge. And there is a very, very big resistance with the EMA ribbon. And when we flip this EMA ribbon and we get a breakout to the outside, then we could also get the way up to 25,000 US dollars to the upside. But for this, we must definitely don't see a retest over this, because if you're rejection over there, it could be bring us down to the bottom of this and maybe also lower. Let us also have a look on the 4-hourly chart. What is telling the prices are here, that we're seeing here that we are fighting with our resistance line over there, that we have also seen here, and also now are fighting also there. We have seen a retest, which is a good sign that we can see much more higher levels. And when we're looking also on the RSI, we see that we're coming a little bit down, which is a good sign that we can go maybe also here in a new long position. But guys, also be carefully, because here when we're looking there, it would be 5% to the upside. I would definitely take some profits over here at 23,000 US dollars, because there are a strong resistance line, and if we broke this resistance line, then of course we can talk about more long positions if we're seeing here this breakout to the upside. But for this time we must see a little bit move to the upside and also have to wait that it's coming in. Let us also have a look on some altcoins, and when we're looking here on Ripple, what we are also trading right now at the last videos, we see that also Ripple is now at the top of the EMA ribbon on the daily chart, and on the 1-hourly chart we see that we have now a potential move to the upside with also getting in a new trade position. So let us look right here if we can take this trade on this episode right now here. So I would think that we break a little bit lower, and when we see here this cross, then we can go up into a long position as we've seen here, so at this level there, and then we can also get in this long position, because then we have seen the breakout and the retest of our W with the price target also on 42% to the upside. So that would also be a trade would we go in on this session. So definitely also you can take this trade. Also very, very great news for MATIC is this right candle here, but we're seeing that we're getting in an oversold position, and when we're looking also on the horizontal lines, we are now close to a really strong resistance. But when we broke this, then MATIC is all the way up to getting here also in higher levels, because then the next resistance line would be all the way up to $1.35, and that would all the way up bring us to 50% to the upside. And we're seeing here we are very close to $1 US. So that is also for all the guys who buy some coins also here at this area, that would be all good, because you are now very big in profits. And MATIC is one of the coins that are getting close to this $1 level. So that is also a one good move way back to the bullish move direction. So congratulations on all who have also accumulated here some MATIC coins. I also have bought some in this area, a whole much MATIC coins, so I'm very proud of buying these coins all the way down here, and now it's very big in profits. And this is also what we are also seeing on CoinMarketCap, that so much altcoins are so good performing, that we are seeing here all the way green numbers. So that is a very good sign maybe also for the start for this week, and that we can see in this week some fireworks also on the other coins. So that is all the way good for the whole cryptocurrency market. And that is also the end of this video, so don't forget to like this video, to subscribe to the channel, and then we see in the next video tomorrow.